Juggling our farm animals and everyday life has always been a balancing act, but something we love.
One of our biggest obstacles has always been keeping them on fresh grass, for their health, to keep feed costs down, and for our peace of mind as we strive to be good animal keepers.
As many know, goats are escape artists, and trying to keep them on a rotational grazing program is hard to do without proper fencing, which can get pricey.
But we finally found the perfect solution for our small farm. We've invested in Trident Fence. They have several different options of fencing, but the one that we chose and they recommended for our needs is a 42-inch tall electric mesh goat and sheep fence.
Trident Fence really stepped up and helped us stretch our budget to get us set up right with more than we needed to keep all our animals healthy and happy.
So today's project is going to be getting all our animals moved into the new electrical powered fence system. These fences are going to be powered by a solar powered Energizer.
Since Trident Fence really helped us out, we would love to pay it forward by doing our very first giveaway on this channel.
Yes, so if you hang with us till the end of this video, we're going to do our very first giveaway and tell you what it is. So you ready to get to work?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Alright, we got the fence all set up. If you notice us weed eating, that's because you got to kind of clear out the bottom of the grass a little bit, otherwise the fence will short out on the grass blades, especially if it's wet. So we hit it with a weed eater around the perimeter of the fence after we set it up, and then we stuck it back in. It's all set up, now we're going to get these animals moved.
Searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Ooh, she's pregnant, baby.
Yeah, she's pregnant.
Is that everybody? Okay. Maybe y'all set that back up. I'll get
we finished the fence. It laid out perfectly.
Yeah, it was pretty easy. It took us about an hour to set up, and once we got the perimeter set up, the square, we had to go back and backtrack and weed eat underneath the fence so the grass didn't ground out the fence at all.
Yes, so thank y'all so much for watching till the end. Now for our giveaway. Trident Fence was so wonderful helping us get all set up that we want to pay it forward by giving one away.
Yes, so we are going to give you guys one of these 164 foot long, 42 inch high electric sheep and goat net fencing. We're not going to give this particular one away. This is ours. We'll send you guys a new one. But for more details on how to enter in the giveaway.
Yes, so to enter, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, and then also visit us on Instagram at Little Dreamers Farm. Like the giveaway post there and tag a friend, and you will be entered into our giveaway to win a fence.
Yes, so we're pretty excited to give one of these away, and we know that was a lot of information, so for complete information and how to enter, just check the description below. All the information and links for all these products will be listed down there. Complete instructions.
Yes, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.
Yeah, so we hope one lucky winner gets this thing and really enjoys it.
When are we drawing?
We will be drawing on April 15th. So you guys have about a week to get entered in, and then we'll actually make a little video and draw out of a hat, or we'll figure out some way to draw it.
Yes, very exciting. We're stoked.
Yeah. It should be fun. But as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and do not forget to enter.